Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Molly. This is me, Molly. And, yun, maglalaro tayo ngayon ng ano na naglaro to? Assassin's Creed Black Flag. Yun, sana ma-enjoy nyo yung game. Kahit, ito nga pala yung pinaka first ever video ko sa YouTube. Kaya sana ma-enjoy nyo kahit walang quality. Yun guys, thank you for watching. Yan, maglalaro tayo. Yun. Alamin natin yung story. Kasi matagal na akong nag-ano talaga. Matagal na akong nag-Assassin's Creed. Kaso, yung laptop ko, hindi na kaya yung Assassin's Creed na ganito, yung mga matataas na Assassin's Creed. Hindi nyo na kaya. So, sabi ko, pag nagkaroon ako ng gagawa ko ng YouTube channel. Magkaroon ako magandang PC, gagawa ko YouTube channel. Doon ka lalaroin yung game na gusto ko. Sino yung character ko dito? Di ko alam eh. Wala akong balita kung sino character ko dito. Basta pirata daw eh. Ito ito. Tapos papatay siya ata ng assassins. Ewan lang natin. Tingnan natin kung anong kwento na ito. Wait, double check ko lang kung naka-record. Ay, naka-record na ako. Okay lang. Oopsie daisy. Am I controlling this? I'm going to take the wheel po. Right click, hold, aim, shoot. Okay po. I gets. Okay, gets. Wala bang dito? Short sale something. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Another one. Hirap na hirap ako sa mga ganito. Buti parang pinadali nila yung ship something. Ligo tayo. Aray ko po. Oh my days. Hirap na hirap ako dito sa Assassin's Creed 3 guys. May ganito na kasi sa Assassin's Creed 3. Okay na. Let's go! Manis! First try baby, first try. Uy, paano mangyayari dyan? Uy, assassin. Ito na nga yun. Ito yung captain nila. Eh di ba lang pala to? Tauhan lang pala siya sa barko. Okay. Good start. Good prologue. Di pa yung simula ng prologue guys. Edward. Edward. Wait. Ba't lang subtitles? Hindi, mamaya. Mamaya isa natin. Yun lang guys, nilalamig ako. I'm nilalamig. I'm cold.
It's not about me, Caroline. I want food that don't make me sick. I want walls that hold back the wind. I want a decent life.
How long would you be gone with these privateers?
A year, I reckon.
Ano yan? Asawa niya?
Two at the most.
A girlfriend, something?
All right. No more than 2. Promise me.
Okay po. Di nag-promise. Alam nyo yan. Ibig sabihin, more than 2 yan. Oh my days. Saan daw ako pupunta? Okay, okay. Reach the shore. Hold ship. Okay, okay. Pwede ba controller dito? Am I allowed to use controller? Uy, pwede ba controller, guys? Oh my days. Sige, pwede ako mag-controller ako. Paano? Sprint. How to sprint? Wait. Ito ang sprint. Kapag nahirapan ako mag-controller, what? Ay lang, mahirap yung controls. Kailangan ko may open na control dyan. Wow. Ganda rin ang details na ito kahit matagal na tong game na to. Ano ulit name niya? Edward. Siya si Edward, guys. Sino to? Ito yung assassin.
Was it good for you as well?
Havana. I must get to Havana.
Well, I'll just build us another ship, will I?
I can pay you. Isn't that the sound you pirates like best? 100 scoops.
Nalalaman.
Keep talking.
Oh, thank you.
You don't have that gold on you now, do you?
Bloody fucking pirates.
Bully niya. Bullying ko ata yan. Wait, kailangan natin lagyan ng subtitle, guys. Sorry kung tahimik ako. Napapaganda ang node ko. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang. Lagyan ko lang ng subtitles. Ayun, okay na. Game. Habulin natin yan. Mamaya ako na ayusin yung controls.
We're off to a bad start.
Nakakit na ba ito sa puno? Ay, nakakit na pala siya sa puno. Kala ko hindi. Yung ibang Assassin's Creed kasi, hindi makakit sa puno. Wow, ganda. 2 swords. Nice.
To Havana. Will you walk that distance?
Ganda rin talaga ng graphics na ito kahit luma na. Dito ba naman? Uy, mali! Sorry po. Mali ako ng daanan. Sorry po. Pwede ba ako makatsa puno? Oh my days. Yun. Saan pa siya dumaan? Di ba umakit sa taas? Mataas sa taas kanina, di ba? Or hindi pa pala. Saan yung inaabol ko? Ito yung maganda sa Assassin's Creed eh. May mga platform kang pwedeng daanan. Yun ang palagi sa Assassin's Creed. Yun ang pangit. Yung mga something na ayun o, yung ganun. Bakit? Nagbabag, promise. 2 beses na yun. Pasensya na ha. Ito yung new video pero kaya tumatalon doon. Nagko-command siya na tumalon doon. Yung controls. Wait. Am I going to, ano ba dito? Synchronize? Marunong na ba ako mag-leap-of-faith dito? Wait. What? Di pa ako assassin ha? Pirata pa lang to ha? Ano yun? Nasa kanya na? Nasa loob niya na yung pagiging assassin. What? Okay. Ngayon, tayo pag-open ng mga chests. Babalikan na natin yun. Pwede pa naman natin balikan yan eh. Parang controls lang ata ito ng Assassin's Creed 3. Yung something na. Pero sana ganun lang din kadali.
Together on this.
Napakahirap. Ano yun, nag-leap of faith ba siya?
Keep your distance!
Aray ko po! Binaril ako, tarantado. Patay ka. Nangyari ka sa akin. Tado ko, binaril mo ako. Napa akong hidden blade, pero ikaw pinakabaliw na assassin na nakilala ko. Bilis tumakbo. Mahabol ko kaya ito agad. Takil ko nga. Fuck. What? Assassin, ganun lang kadali batayin? Okay, okay. Ano yung
Sir Duncan Wildmore,
Duncan
I
World?
accept your most generous offer and await your arrival with eagerness. If you truly possess the information we
Sa
desire,
we have means to reward you. Ah, ito pala yung Assassin's Creed na pwede ka ata magtago ng ano?
I believe I
Ng mga katawan ng mga ano?
infamous by your secret order.
Katawan ng mga kalaban mo.
Therefore, come to Havana in haste, and trust that you shall be welcomed as a brother. Su más humilde servidor, el gobernador
What?
Laureano Torres.
Tinapon niya yung ano? Tinapon niya yung hidden blade? Ano to? Assassin's Creed na walang hidden blade? Nani? Sa di pala nakakalam guys, yung hidden blade, yung kapag gano'n ka, merong espada, meron kang kutsilyo. Mga assassin yung meron nun. Paano mag-crouch something? Bawal? Bawal mag-crouch?
That screw will do me just fine.
Anong prologue to? Gano'n kaya kahaba yung prologue nito? If umabot na ng 10 minutes yung prologue, hanggang prologue lang tayo. No editing involved. Oh my days, mali. Oh my. Oh my days, sana di ako nakita. Sana di ako nakita. Di ako nakita. Aray. Wait lang guys, wala pa akong alam sa assassination. Pwede ako mag-whistle, okay. Just like, okay, gets. Mag-whistle tayo. Di pwede mag-whistle sa Assassin's Creed 3. Yung mag-whistle ka ng nasa ano? Kailangan nakatago ka, alam ko eh. Pero yung ganito lang, sa damo lang, di pwede. Come here, baby. Say natin sila. Assassino mode lang tayo. Come here. Come here, baby. Isa lang pwede pumunta. Isa lang kayo. Magdalawa. Walang ano? Okay, gets. Come here. Sasuntok lang tayo. Okay, gets. Try ko. Hala, paano nga? Counter E? Wait. Wait. Papalitan ko lang. Hindi ko pala napalitan. Ay, hindi ako sanay na counter E, guys. Excuses. Wait lang. Customize ship controls. Yung E ko kasi right click yun. Yan. Hindi ako sanay. Di ba? Gets. Okay, maganda yung controls. Ito buhay po. Paano mag-loot? Bawal? Okay, gets.
By God's grace, sir.
Alam ko una to bago mag Assassin's Creed 3. Una yung ano na ito
Is that yours? It is my vessel, yes.
It's poor cutting.
Captain, and I have no art for sailing.
I can pilot her myself, no mind.
You don't mean to abscond with my ship, do you?
I'm Duncan. What's your name, friend?
Steve Bonnet.
Well, Mr. Bond,
Nagpanggap na Duncan.
stay twixt us. But I'm on a secret errand for His Majesty the King, God save him, and I must get to Havana with speed.
What? Ikaw yung gagawa ng ano?
So my destination.
Yung ano ng assassin pagkatapos siya patayin?
You put me in
Or trick niya lang yan para makasakay ng barko?
Did you?
Yes. You have an uncommon way of handling yourself. Quick and easy, if I may say. Gave me quite a fright. All things considered,
I think
it's
it
turned out
turned.
to be a rather fortuitous day, hasn't it?
Awkward. Awkward thing.
Lacking a rowboat, I'm afraid you'll have to swim to my ship.
Hardly the worst thing to happen.
Ano yun? What is that? Treasure maps. 9, press 9. Press 9, select F, something. Okay. Scroll tayo. Pagka-scroll. Okay, gets. Or plus 9. Ay, wala naman eh. Hindi, magagano na lang. Plus 9. Namuhay na siya. Ay lang, baka di na ako babalik sa lugar na to. Or di ko alam, baka bumalik pa ako. Treasure maps. Nasaan ako ngayon? Wait. Ano ko lang yun ayun o, kita nyo ba yung ano sa map, guys? Dito sa may baba. Meron dyan, parang ibon na logo. Yun. Anong tawag doon? Parang viewpoint yun. Sa mga Assassin's Creed, lahat may ganyan. Wait. Wala ka umakit dito? Okay. No, don't jump. Hanap tayo ng ibang daan. Kasi oh my days. Si Connor kasi, pwede siyang umakit sa mga bato-bato. Ewan ko lang dito. May treasure din dito. Ano ko na to kanina? Ay ba ata yun? Yan, kailangan nyo ma-synchronize guys. Para kunyari, pag nag-synchronize kasi kayo ng map, makikita nyo yung parang yung mga yung mga hidden dun sa map na yun. What? Bawal? Okay, gets. Bawal pa pala. Dahil siguro hindi pa ako assassin. Sayang lang ang punta ko. Pero okay lang yan. Di ba tayo pwede mag-loot ng body? Stealth swim. Paano yung stealth swim? Baka magamit ko mamaya. Ganon. Okay, gets. Okay, gets. Baka kasi magamit natin later. Sa Assassin's Creed 3, alam ko walang stealth swim eh. Hindi ko lang, meron nata. Hindi ko na maalala.
Get the mainsails into the wind. Welcome aboard, Duncan. She's a modest schooner, but well suited to my purpose, trafficking cargo from my plantation.
Pinadali nata nila yung ano.
There's a strong wind now. Let's strike to full, shall we?
Paano mag-set sail? Di na ba, ano? Di na ba pahirapan ng set sail dito?
There's a tug of the wind at my hair. I find a
Hindi ka na mag-aano ng air. Yung papalaki-lakihan yung ano. Sana nga.
That's a top way of seeing it.
Di nga, nag-hold siya. Nag-hold siya kita kaupo. Ang galit ah.
We've really opened it up now, haven't we?
Ano lang ta? Ito yung mga boring part dito eh. Pero gawin natin interesting. Boring part siya pero this time siguro para magsalita-salita ako.
Is it a real danger, do you suppose?
Ay, kailangan... Di pala didiinan yung W.
The Windward Passage between Cuba and Hispaniola.
Oh, I see. Yes. That is a bustling strait.
Pwede ba ako duman doon? Wait. What? Pwede ba ako duman dyan?
Worry about being
Oh no! Oh no.
my ship is small, and I have nothing of immense value.
Di pala pwede duman doon, sorry.
Molasses, rum, that sort of thing.
No. Mali ang daan. Sa kabila.
Oh, yes. Yes, I suppose that's true.
Yan. Di marunong magbarko ang ano nyo? Ang idol nyo. Oopsie daisy. Kailangan pa umiikot.
Hold sail! She'll take it! Trim the yards off the wind! Cloud on every inch of sail!
WS na lang. Hindi ka na papahirapan na mag full sail something. Full sail, half sail. Kailangan na natin makahanap agad ng lupa. Kasi ayoko sa tubig. Okay, half sail. Full sail. Nice one. Gumagaling na ako, guys. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko na hinahawakan yan, no? Look, no hands. Whoopsie daisy, what? May whale pala dito eh. Yun, buti naman. Hindi ko siya drive ng sobrang tagal.
Sailor, Duncan.
Wow.
Decent trick at the helm some time ago. 2 years
Yes,
before the
bro.
mast as a privateer.
Dash my buttons. Your
Sinungaling.
life seems a grand one, if I may say. So full of adventure. How marvelous.
I've seen my share of
Purong kasinungalingan eh. Ito na ba yung prologue? Yun na ba yung prologue nun? Is that the prologue, guys? That's it? Yun na ba yun?
Fantastic work. Very promising.
What? Abstergo. Yung may baka Abstergo na ba to? Yung nag-fantastic work na eh.
Right. Easy now. There you go. Welcome back.
What? Sino ka?
Well, your numbers look good.
Sa 3 si ano na eh, si ano eh, namatay si ano ah. Namatay si
I
Desmond.
need you to move your head and look at these lights just here.
And Edward Kenway.
Look up.
Look up?
That's it.
Gagalawin ko pala, sorry guys. Down?
So far, so good. Let's get you up. So, welcome to the Sample 17 project.
Okay po.
Before you get started, you're gonna need this. Go. Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Ay, wait lang yung pusa. Gawin na naman yung pusa.
Let's take a walk. Your file says you've done
Uy, ang pogi ni Bossing.
but not to this extent.
Bossing,
Rising.
what you doing?
Good. The data stream
It was like, get out of my way. Excuse me. How about this? Uy, ano pinag-uusapan niyo dyan?
impressive, right? This building is
Idol ko.
6 months old, but Abstergo Entertainment has been a studio for a few years.
Okay po.
Since 2010.
Sorry, di ka naman seryosa. Saan tayo titingin?
Saw Liberation?
No.
That was our first title powered by Animus Tech.
No, di ko pa nakikita.
The iceberg.
Di pa kilala yan. Di ko pa nalalaro yung Assassin's Creed Liberation.
Whole world to enjoy. They'll offer passive experiences, of course, edited versions of real history, but only the exciting parts. And we think we found the perfect subject for our first full-length virtual feature, Caribbean Pirate.
Saan ba?
That's your game.
Okay po.
It'll just take a minute, okay?
Okay po. Gala mo na ako, te.
Well, thank you, Nancy. What was your name?
Boss. Pinga ko kape. Boss, pinga ko kape. Wow, di pwede ah. Damot ah. Ano yan? Ano meron dyan? Tingin ako, tingin. Tingin nga. Wala naman eh. Di naman maganda yan eh. Ente, ano yan? Tingin ako, tingin. Pares lang kayo nun, no? Te, pares lang kayo nun. Kwentuhan sila. Ikaw, solo lang. Kayo. Ano trip niyo sa buhay? Wow, dating kayo ha. Wow, dating kayo ha. Kayo ha. Ay, sorry po. Okay na po. Okay, balik na po ako sa trabaho.
This is for you. The primary tool of our trade, your communicator.
Okay po.
Power it up and give it a look. It's pretty slick.
Hindi nga. Paano ba yan? Okay, tablet na rin ako oh. Pwede na ako mag-YouTube dito? Pwede ba ako mag-YouTube dito? Oops, si Daisy. Kapinutin ko yung camera. Aba, sa center pala yun. Okay, gets. Okay, gets. Elevator, gets. Ito pala yung pwede ko gamiting map. Okay po, kaya pala addict na addict sila dun.
You might have noticed that security seemed a little light around here. That's because your communicator is your key to getting around.
Okay po. Ito na yung elevator. Check nga natin. Malapit tayo sa elevator. Aba, maganda to ha. Maganda tong apps nyo ha. Saan ito na-download? Sa Play Store? Play Store ba to, te? Okay, sige po. Kung ayaw mo, silent treatment tayo.
See that flashing wireless signal? It means you're hooked up to the elevator. I'll let you do the honors. We're headed up to the Sample 17 studio, second floor.
Ay, di. Paano ba open yan? Magano pala. Okay po. Ano daw kami? Sa may 15 floor daw. May tao kayo nagbabasa talaga nito. Matapos. Sample 15. Labi. Ay, sample 17. Mali pala ako narinig. Sorry po. Nabal mo ba ako natingin? Hindi pa. Ayoko. Mamaya. Husgahan nila ako dyan.
Ah, there's the boss, Olivier Garneau, our CCO. I'll introduce
Ano
you.
pangalan? Oliver Giacno?
Salut Mélanie.
Si Chakno pala yan eh.
Ça va bien?
Well, thanks.
Oliver
Our
Chakno.
project just started today.
I haven't. Bonjour.
Hello.
What project?
Sample 17, the Kenwood.
Uy.
Aidan, Connor.
Hatam ka na eh.
Edward, the pirate.
What?
Arya!
Edward. Magkaka ano.
Very exciting. Welcome aboard. Mélanie, can we talk in your office for a minute?
Just let me get this one settled and I'll see you in 5 minutes.
C'est bon. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Chakno.
So, this is the Sample 17 floor. We're diving into the memories of one very generous donor. Desmond
Okay.
Miles. We're pulling all the best
Uy,
out
si
of him.
Desmond Miles.
And hopefully one day, we can forge some fantastic experiences from what we find in
Tingnan ko ang laruan nito. Wow, ganda. Ito ba kita kunin?
This pair of legs is John, one of the wizards in IT. He's just fixing something for you.
Not fixing, calibrating.
Calibrating, right.
Wait lang.
So here we are.
Hindi ako nagsasalita. Na-amaze ako.
This is all yours. So sit back, relax, and find us some good footage.
Tingin nga.
If you need any hints or tips, the Animus is loaded with tutorial programs, so you'll have no problems.
Okay po.
And I'll check in on you later.
Sige po. Thank you. Thank you. Return their animals. Sige po. Yun.
Animus Omega, Abstergo Entertainment's proprietary ancestral
Destroy memory research tool.
If you have
Magawa tayo isang mission tapos end ko na yung video
about
guys.
how to operate
Kasi baka medyo mahaba na yung video.
contact
Pwede ko i-check.
supervisor.
I will check it. Ayan lang. The video is... What? 30 minutes na yung video! So,
You have been
baka mag-end na tayo.
part of the Sample 17
Mag-end na
project.
tayo this time.
Primary research target,
Sa...
Dr. James Kenway.
Okay.
On March 10,
Siguro pagtapos na ito,
3,
I will go and live tuloy.
calibration
End the video and...
finds normal.
Wait nyo yung part 2. Gagawa ko ng part 2 guys.
Neurotransmitters activated.
Wow. This is it. Baka dito na ako mag-end. Uy, yun na pala. Yun na pala yun. Yung ano. Yun yung ano niya, prologue. Saktong sakto. Yun guys. Pwede dito tayo mag-stop. Mamaya, pag makakontrol ko na yung character.
Lively Havana. I'd been here once before. It was a truly awful pleasure.
Havana, Cuba. July 17, 15.
See someone you know? No. Just putting on a friendly face. I shouldn't want to be mistaken for a pirate again.
Right. Flash rogue like yourself must be cautious.
Kulit eh. This? Ito na ba yun?
Mad to think Spain and England were at war 2 years ago, isn't it? Here I am, bartering with Spaniards like they were my cousins. Nothing wrong, Duncan.
No, it's nothing. Sand in my hampers. So where's the best squad in town? I'm dying for a quick kip. Or a siesta, should I say.
I'm just headed to a public house.
Ano to? Parang ano siya. Wala siyang hidden blade eh. Paano naging Assassin's Creed to kung walang hidden blade? Pure ano lang. Ayun guys, dito na tayo mag-i-stop. So yun guys. Thank you for watching. Yun na nga. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Ayun na siguro sa ngayon. Yun. And share na rin guys kung gusto niyo sa mga tropa niyo mapanood ako. Yun. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye.